been in this organization since October 2009 and grown this company across to where it stands now. We started off as a self-loading concrete mixer manufacturer,
Right.
which is a very niche product, which we grew the market leaps and bounds. And today we are the world's leader in self-loading concrete mixer. And the total numbers that we sell across is, combined put together across and all, it's much ahead than all the others put together. As we grew across from self-loading concrete mixers, we've also diversified. And today we represent ourselves as a next generation 360-degree concrete solutions. What is 360-degree concrete solutions? In concrete, we have concrete production, we have concrete transportation, we have concrete placement, and you have concrete paving. So these are the different types of concreting that we have. So when we started off our self-loading concrete mixer, it is concrete production as also transportation. But it is for specific quantities, volumes across and all. So whenever you need bigger volumes, it is not so suitable across and all. Then you need bigger products. And that is how we diversified into batching plants. We diversified into transit mixers, concrete pumps, boom pumps, then self-propelled boom pumps. So in this, all these sort of things, what we have tried to do, innovation has always been some sort of a USP for our products or the solutions that we provide. So when we came across to batching plants, we always wanted to see the batching plants compact in size, modular in structure, design, so that they can be set up at a site very fast. And when you set up fast, what happens is your downtime for or the uptime to start the project, that is like totally getting across. And on top of that, when you have a productive machine, in terms of when you say compare it across with the similar capacity, you get a productive machine and easy to operate. So this is something which the customers look for. It's a value for money, right? So this is where we want to intend. Going forward, when we came across to concrete pumps, boom pumps across, we always wanted to optimize the solutions that we can give to a customer. So today we have boom pumps in the market on a specific truck chassis. So what we have done with a 6-wheel chassis, we have optimized the boom length and come across with something which is a 30-meter boom. For the 6x4 10-wheel chassis, we have optimized the boom length and come across with a 44-meter boom. So in this process, what we have done, for a particular value of the solution or the product asset, we tend to give the maximum productivity out of it, either in terms of output or in terms of reach. And this is where, end of the day, the customer should get, the contractor should get a value for their money. This is how we have propagated all through. And today we have built up a product called a self-propelled boom pump, which is sort of a game changer in the industry, like what self-loading concrete mixers did in the industry 20 years back. So self-propelled boom pump will do for the concrete placement. It is on an integrated chassis of ours, can get across to any different job sites. And it is a patented product and the first of its kind, not only in India, but the entire world. So this is how we have sort of upgraded, improvised, innovated products across and all. And today, we have also come across with a product called a slip form paver, which hitherto in India was being imported all throughout.
Right.
So even today, whether from US or from Germany, you have imported products, whereas we are the only ones who manufacture this in-house. It was designed indigenously and manufactured out here. So by virtue of this, we have come across to almost every product in this concrete space and want to proclaim ourselves as a 360-degree next-gen concrete solution provider. See, as far as the self-propelled boom pump is concerned, we want to attack not only the infrastructure, but also the building and housing segment. So in self-propelled, we have a 25-meter boom, which is capable for all the infrastructure projects, whether it is for railways, whether it is for defense-related projects, whether it is for bridges, whether it's for flyovers, anyway, wherever you need a concrete at a particular height, this will be used. So across infrastructure for NHAI, any of these projects. And for buildings, particularly the buildings in tier 2 and tier 3, which is a G+1, G+2 buildings, we have a 18-meter boom. So that in consultation with a self-loading concrete mixer, which will be a mobile integrated solution for concrete production and concrete placement.
Right.
So the entire sphere of the segment, starting from building housing till infrastructure, we want to cater to this with this product. In terms of infrastructure, I think India is one of the very few markets where, even in spite of whatever we hear about a global recession, the Indian market is the only market which is still across in good boom, thanks to the infrastructure, whether it is for roads, whether it is for highways and expressways, whether it is for railways, whether it is for airport, seaport. You can see the type of investment that has already been done and the type of large-scale projects that are coming. Not only at infrastructure range throughout India, like connectivity of the different cities, connectivity of ports, but even within the cities, like if you take the city of Delhi, the type of infrastructure work that we have, the city of Bombay, the type of large-scale infrastructure project we have multiple of them. And when you club it up with the real estate, which is booming across, say, in all the tier one cities, whether it is Bombay, Delhi, Hyderabad, Bangalore, and all. So whether it is real estate or infrastructure, you have a mix of both. So at any point of time, even if one fires, that itself is like really well good for the Indian economy. And today, at this point of time, I think both are fair. All of these are completely. We want to be known as the Indian multinational. So right now, we have set up a footprint in India, manufactured. We have close to about 20,000 plus customers, 25,000 odd machines. And going forward, we want to put this across also into the global market. We'll start across with ASEAN market, and then after that take it across to other geographies. At this point of time, we are consolidating the entire thing. So hopefully we should be able to, once we consolidate that, and with the type of volumes that we are looking for capacity expansion. 2022 was a challenging year as far as, because we follow the financial year. So for us, it is like 2023 March till March. So this is the last quarter, which is the quarter which gives us close to about 30-35% of our total revenue. But coming across from the previous 2 years of COVID, we have definitely registered close to about 30% growth, and we anticipate to keep this momentum by the year end.